Hi guys. So essential oils are called essential because they're captured by plant's essence, like its scent, flavor and its properties. So they are not nutritionally required for survival like amino acids, essential amino acids. Okay. So now talking about lavender essential oil. You can use this product for aromatherapy by diffusing it or by inhaling steam, or you can use it as a topical application for hair care while using it with a carrier oil, okay, in hair care, skin care, bath and massages, okay, and also you can use it as DIY home household products, okay, so that can be in room sprays or cleaning sprays. So today I'll be talking about hair care and skin care. Now talking about what are the benefits of Aroma Magic Lavender Essential Oil. First of all, it helps in reducing inflammation, anti-aging, combats acne, even out the skin tone, helps in hydration, stimulates the health of scalp and in hair growth. First of all, talking about inflammation. Inflammation can be around your eyes, on your face, on your body, on your legs, on your feet, anywhere. You can use the properties of lavender oil to fight inflammation. Okay, so you can use almond oil, 1 tablespoon of almond oil. I'll show it to you guys. 1 tablespoon of almond oil, Bajaj almond oil, with this lavender oil, one or 2 drops of this lavender oil, okay, and mix those up in making the paste of it and applying it everywhere wherever you feel inflammation on your body. Second is the lavender's anti-aging effect. Okay, so what happens is your antioxidants of this essential oil fights and protects your skin from free radicals, and it helps in fighting the signs of aging by removing wrinkles and fine lines. Okay, so what happens is you need to take Patanjali's aloe vera gel, which helps in soothing, hydrating and tightening your skin, with green tea, Tetley's green tea, which helps in elasticity of your skin and helps in making your skin more healthy and hygienic. Okay, and third, what you need to take is the lavender oil, 2-3 drops of lavender oil, mixing these three up and applying it on the aging effects. Third effect that lavender essential oil gives you is that it balances the skin. Okay, so what happens is it reduces the redness, dark spots or hyperpigmentation on your skin wherever you have it, either on your face or on your body. To balance out your skin tone, what you can do is take 2-3 drops of lavender essential oil, 1 or 2-3 pumps of your moisturizer, and lastly rose water. It can be a Gulabari's rose water. Okay, what happens is Gulabari's rose water helps in tightening your skin, your pores basically, and helps in balancing your pH level of your skin. Okay, and it also helps in the elasticity of your skin. So these 3 products together will make your skin calm down, and the redness of your skin will go away. So the fourth thing that lavender essential oil does is that it combats acne. So what happens is that it kills the bacteria and prevent and heal the acne breakouts. Okay, so what happens is it unclogs the pores and helps in reducing the inflammation whenever you put this oil on your skin. To use lavender oil for acne prone skin, you need to take first 2-3 drops of lavender essential oil, then almond oil, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, 1 tablespoon of parachute coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, Dabur honey, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, mix these up and mask on your skin wherever you have acne prone skin. So now I'm telling you a deep hydration mask for dry skin in winters. Okay, first of all you need to take 1 tablespoon of honey, Dabur honey, half mashed avocado, 1 tablespoon of Patanjali's aloe vera gel, 2-3 drops of lavender essential oil, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Okay, mix this up and apply it on your skin, on your face, on your body, and then you will see a deep hydrating skin. So the next thing that lavender essential oil helps in is hair growth and scalp health. Okay, so what happens is it fights with the bacteria on your scalp and helps to prevent hair loss and helps to give hair growth on your scalp. Okay, so what you can do is you can take 100 ml of water and mix 10 drops of lavender essential oil in that bottle and spray it on your head, and you will see a magic on your scalp as bacteria will be killed and you will see a long beautiful hair. That's all guys. In case you have any questions related to these products or makeup, skincare, hair care, you can always leave a comment in the comment section box. I'll reach you guys for that. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.